Hello students, today's question is identify the correct statement from the following. There are 5 statements. Among them you have to choose which ones are correct. Okay, first is FeC2O4. This is your oxalate system. Whole 3, 3 minus is the most stable complex among FeOH whole 6, 3 minus Fe C2O4 whole 3, 3 minus FeCN6 whole 6 3 minus. Yes, it is true. It is true because iron is among this all, iron is in the highest oxidation state, right? And this is also a bidentate. Okay, among these two, FeOH and FeCN3, oxalate is a bidentate ligand. So chelate complexes are always chelate complex always will be more stable. Okay, so this one is correct. The stability of CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus is greater than Cu whole En whole 2 2 plus. No, why? Because En is what? What is En? That is ethylene diamine, and ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand, right? If it is a bidentate ligand, obviously what will happen? It will produce a chelate complex. The stability of your CuEn whole 2 will be more than your CuNH3 whole 4. This is wrong. The hybridization of Fe in K4 FeCN whole 6 is D2sp3. That is true because Fe ends in 2 plus here, so it will be 3d6 as it is a 3d6 and Cn minus is a strong filled ligand, so it will give you a low spin complex, it will induce pairing and it will use, that's why inner orbital complex D2sp3 it will be producing. That is a correct one. Next is FeNO2 whole 3 cell 3 3 exhibit linkage isomerism. Yes, it does. Okay, there will be minus. Exhibit linkage isomerism. Yes, that is 2 because NO2 is an ambidentate, right? NO2 is an ambidentate ligand as it is an ambidentate, so N can be bonded, oxygen also can bond it. If N bonds, it will be called nitro. If oxygen bonding happens, it is nitrio. Okay, nitrio. Next number, so number D is also correct. Number E, NO2 minus and HCN minus ligands are not ambidentate ligands. No, this is not correct. We already seen that NO2 is an ambidentate, so that's your HCN. It can bond through N, it can bond through S. Any one of them can bond. So which are correct? A, C, D are only correct. So the option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.